Man has a deep connection with any river. Since ancient times, civilizations have been born on the banks of rivers and people have been nurtured by the rivers. The flowing waters of the rivers is mainly used in agricultural works, drinking, producing electricity and transport. Technically, there are about 165 major rivers in the world. And if you see, almost all important cities have grown up beside a river. But you will be surprised to know that there are some rivers in the world from which gold is obtained. But before we begin, if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to the channel on YouTube and like and share the video on Facebook. The channel needs your support to grow on both the platforms. Alluvial gold deposit refers to layer of sand or gravel where precious minerals can be found. Water helps to detect the presence of gold in ores. Rivers and creeks wash the sand off and the stream carries valuable particles onto the surface. We first look at Subarnarekha River, which is in Jharkhand, India. The word Subarnarekha means streak of gold. Gold is obtained from the water of Subarnarekha River flowing in Jharkhand, West Bengal, and some areas of Odisha. Places like Tamad and Saranda in Jharkhand, local tribal filters the sand of Subarnarekha River and collects gold particles. Generally, one person can get 1 or 2 particles of gold after working all day and 60 to 80 gold particles in entire months. These particles are slightly larger than rice grains. Sensitization of gold particles from sand is done throughout the year. Only during the flood, the work ceases for 2 months. Those extracting gold from the sand get 80 to 100 rupees for a particle. However, the price of one particle in the market is about 300 rupees or more. Local brokers and goldsmiths have made huge properties by buying gold particles from these tribal families. Next up, we have the Kharkai River, which is located in same place in Jharkhand. Like Subarnarekha River, gold particles are found in the sand of its tributary Kharkai River. Some people say that the gold particles in the Subarnarekha River reach through the Kharkai River, but there is no clear evidence of it. Length of Kharkai River is only 37 kilometers. Next up, we are going to Canada. Gold is also extracted from the Klondike River flowing in the Dason City, Canada. It is believed that gold has fallen in the sediments of this river. In 1896, George Carmack, Dawson Charlie, and Jim Mason firstly said that gold is found in this river. And since then, miners have always found gold from this river. Next, we have the gold in the rivers of Lapland, which is in Finland. Lapland is one of the centers of European gold mining activities. The valuable metal can be found in 2 rivers at once, Lemmenjoki and Ivalojoki. Local authorities even came up with a tourist attraction, the search for golden sand in the village of Tankavara. Some of the world's purest gold, which is at 90% purity, is to be found in the region surrounding the Lemmenjoki and Ivalojoki rivers. The first Lappish gold rush occurred here between 1869 and 1900, and gold is panned for here till today. The largest finished nugget of gold ever found weighed 393 grams and was discovered in 1935. By 1945, panning was a common recreational pastime. Next up, we are going to the Goulburn River in Australia. In Australia, gold mining forms the economy of the country. The authorities are so interested in extracting the precious metal that even foreign citizens can obtain permission to dig a gold mine pit. The largest amount of noble mineral is extracted from mines. In the numerous rivers and creeks of this region, divers with a mask and snorkel search for the gold. Experienced swimmers go underwater with the use of screwdriver or knife, pull gold nuggets out of the geological formation. Gold in the Madre de Dios River in Peru. The residents of Peru call their state Pias Minero, means prospector country. The population of the regions adjacent to the Andes is engaged in gold mining activities. In the province of Madre de Dios, locals find from around 10 to 15 tons of gold in the river per year. Active searches are also conducted in the tributaries of Inambari and Colorado rivers. In 1848, gold rush broke out in California. James W. Marshall accidentally found nuggets in the American River near the sawmill of John Sutter. Over 20 years, thanks to the effort of prospectors in the mines, gold extracts worth of $50 billion were panned. The largest gold nugget weighed 88.5 kg. The yellow metal can still be found in the waters of the famous river. Those who wish to make a fortune flock to Jamestown. Sets of tools for gold mining are sold in almost every store. A service is popular among those who dream of getting rich quickly. So that's all for today's video. Hopefully you enjoyed the video and you learned something new. If you have any comments for me, write that down in the comments. If you like the video, don't forget to support the channel by subscribing on YouTube and liking the page on Facebook.